This is another restitching an area situation. I had to remove all the stitches in this area right here. For some reason, this thread is very rough, and sometimes the back stitches are very bad. So what I decided to do, instead of trying to start over here and stitch all of this in this direction and hopefully or guide it to make it turn out right there, what I did was divided this pattern right at this point. I used divide. Okay, I used divide and divided out this pattern right here, all of this. And to get it lined up, I placed the needle at this point where I wanted the stitching to start. I right-clicked. I went down to relocate. Shift selected to one point. You notice I have all of this selected, and I have end snap on, so it snapped to this end point where I actually want the stitching to start, and I'll just click that with the mouse, click yes, and everything should be lined up exactly where I want it to. I'm going to click quilt and see how it moves to the correct position. Just toggle over, click start, and it went right to the very point where it's supposed to start stitching. So I'll stitch the rest of this. Okay, I stitched it over to this point, and it worked exactly the way I expected it to. This is just another way of going in and having to restitch an area that you had bad stitches. And all of this depends on the type of pattern that you're using. So, and I use different methods under different situations. Hope this helps.